Good morning, students. Now, today I am going to explain you that thermodynamic part 14th. In that one, we will learn entropy and third law of thermodynamic. This is mainly explain entropy of the system at absolute zero. The substance at entropy of pure substance or perfectly crystalline substance is zero at absolute temperature. Absolute temperature mean, and as the third law it is limitations. Now what does it mean by that? This is the now third law it is explained. This is also known as Ernest Eat theorem. Now it is proposed by the third law of thermodynamics, proposed by third law of thermodynamic, proposed by Max Planck. W.H. Richard and Volter in different forms and different forms, and also the entropy. It is just, what is the mean by third law of thermodynamics? Now entropy of a pure and perfectly crystalline substance is zero at absolute temperature. Absolute temperature is minus 273 degrees Celsius. Now this one we can represent as entropy of the system. It is limit T tends to become zero, and this is the meaning that the third law imposes limitations on entropy value, but not leads to new thermodynamic concepts. That is absolute temperature or absolute entropy of a substance at temperature T. The entropy at the given temperature is integration of 0 to T Cp by T into dt. Now here St is a accurate determination of entropy required to heat capacity at constant pressure and it measures absolute zero around the absolute temperature. And also we can determine accurate entropy. There is a St is required that accurate entropy, it required that the molar heat capacity at constant pressure is constant must be determined accurately, but this is a very important point. This is but molar heat capacity at constant pressure cannot be determined or measured at absolute zero. Now see some diagram. In this diagram, now in this side is a solid, is 0. Now we increase the melt, they become liquid. Up to here it is a melting point. Now here to it is boiling point. After once again we can increase the temperature, it become the vapors like gas. Now here temperature. Now in this one entropy of the system. In this one entropy of the system at absolute zero they are solid. Some by increase of boiling point they become liquid to gas. Now they similarly in this case it is a melting point, in this case it is a boiling point. Now the gas is going, that is a temperature. Now in this case, now entropy is also associated with the molecular motion. It is also associated with the molecular motion, molecular motion. The temperature of the system increases, randomness in motion also increases. Temperature increases, the motion of the molecule also increases, and varies entropy with the varied temperature. Now, the solid, the substance whose particles are rigid and fixed, the structure will be the residual orientation disorder, like CO molecule. Entropy of substance is 0 Kelvin 0. Now, I'm going to one more time repeat it. Accurate the entropy of the system required that the molar heat capacity at constant pressure Cp can be determined. But the molar heat capacity of the pressure cannot be measured at absolute zero. But numerically, the temperature increases, entropy of the disorderliness of the particles are motion of the particle will be increased. Here solid, they won't be motion. The liquid somewhat will be motion is the next one they are going to become gas. Here to here motion will be motion of the molecules are increased. Then the entropy of the system also increase.